Namaste. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am a homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In the videos on this channel, you will learn about various homeopathic books on different subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start with today's topic. Hello friends, today's topic is homeopathic books on glandular disorders. The first book is Diseases of the Glands and Bones with Homeopathic Treatment, John H. Clark. Dr. Clark is a famous British homeopathic stalwart. Details about the author have been shared in the previous videos. This book contains 7 chapters. Chapter 1st, My First Lesson. Chapter 2nd, Anatomy and Physiology of the Glands. Chapter 3rd, Surgical Interference. Chapter 4, Struma or Scrofula. Chapter 5, Some cases of invertebrate scrofula resembling Hodgkin's disease or lymphoadenoma. Chapter 6, non-scrofulous inflammation of glands of the armpit, miscellaneous cases. And Chapter 7, diseases of the bones. Also there is an appendix. Next book is Endocrine Disorders and its Treatment in Homeopathy by Dr. Sailendra Kumar GN. This book was published in the year 1998. The author is a founder member of Indian Institute of Homeopathy, Indian Institute of History of Homeopathy, Calcutta, ex-member Association of Natural Medicine, England, and life member of Institution of Homeopaths, Kerala. The author has tried to touch about each disorders, like a brief discussion on anatomy, physiology of each gland and their disorders. The disorders deals with general consideration, symptoms, diagnosis, and their homeopathic medicines. The therapeutics of each homeopathic medicines in every disorders is made by repertorization and of their disease symptoms and its totality, of course, and other symptomatic drugs are also indicated for each disorders. The contents are the preface, acknowledgements, general considerations, diseases of hypothalamus, diseases of pituitary gland, diseases of thyroid gland, diseases of parathyroid gland, diseases of adrenal gland, diseases of sex gland gonads, some useful hints of laboratory tests in endocrine disorders, some normal endocrine values, homeopathic therapeutics in endocrine disorders in details. The next important book is Materia Medica of Glandular Medicine by Dr. Y.R. Agrawal. Dr. Agrawal was a famous Indian homeopath from Rajasthan, India. He was born in the year 1936 and died in the year 1998. He is also author of many books, and details about the author have been given in the previous videos. This book contains 2 parts. Part 1, Materia Medica of Glandular Medicine, and Part 2, Therapeutic Hints on Endocrine Affections. The contents are Part 1, Materia Medica of Glandular Medicine, Anatomical Figure Endocrine System, the endocrine glands, function of endocrine glands, corpus luteum, the kidneys, the mammary glands, the ovaries, the pancreas, the parathyroid gland, parotid gland, the pineal gland, pineal and thymus, the pituitary gland, pituitrin, the placenta, the prostate gland, secretin, the spleen, the suprarenal glands, the testes, the thymus, the thyroid gland, and thyroidinum. The part 2 is Therapeutic Hints on Endocrine Affections. It includes Materia Medica of first grade remedies in glandular affections, rare remedies for glandular diseases, Dr. Schussler's 12 tissue remedies, organotherapy for glandular disorder, the 7 chakras, the ancient Hindu system, and endocrine, references and acknowledgement. The next important book is Know and Solve Thyroid Problems, the Homeopathic and the Natural Way by Dr. Shiv Dua. Dr. Dua was a famous Indian homeopath. Details about the author have been given in the previous videos. This book gives a detailed explanation on the endocrine system, thyroid gland, and various pathological conditions associated with it, along with the elaboration on hypo and hyperthyroidism. Authentic information on various differential diagnosis, investigative techniques, and preventive measures have also been provided. It also comprises suggestion on therapeutics, alternative therapies, and role of homeopathy clinically in pathological conditions of thyroid. This book will be useful to every practitioner as well as to every common man, going with the increasing frequency of diagnosing thyroid thyroid dysfunction in the population. The contents are Section 1, the endocrine system, thyroid gland diseases, goiter, hypothyroidism, myxedema, hyperthyroidism, thyroid toxicosis, therapeutic suggestions, differential diagnosis of swelling of the neck. Section 2, alternative therapies. Section 3, thyroid function test, importance of thyroid function test, role of homeopathy, should allopathic medicine be stopped, is there any prevention, last word and bibliography. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.